Okay, today what we're doing is launching random cars. And here we go. This is B-Dog. That's K.
Timbakar on YouTube. Timbakar on YouTube. Okay, here we go.
That's K-Pup. This is K-Dog. Here we go. First car launch.
Never get it. Okay, now here is Meter the Greater.
There it goes. Second launch.
And some random truck that I have no idea where it came from.
He flies to the ground. There's your show, folks.
No, there's one more. And then
There's an extra card. Lightning McQueen.
dirty form. Not Lightning McQueen, the dirty form. Where he got
34. Lightning McQueen goes down as usual.
Goodbye, this has been Timbakar and my friend
K-Dog.
It's not really his name.